Today I'm going to explain the difference between a dual chamber and a single chambered oven. With a traditional single chambered oven, your heat source is in the same chamber that you are cooking. So with both gas and wood, you are dealing with an incredible heat source, which is perfect if you're cooking the traditional pizza, if you want to sear a steak like a chop house. And when you want to bake breads, cook at lower temperatures, you merely turn the flame down, whether it's gas or with wood. That being said, that heat source is always going to be in the same chamber, so it will act essentially as a broiler. So you need to change the ways that you approach baking in a single chambered compared to a convection oven. So if I were cooking bread, what I would do is I'd get my oven up to temperature. I would then remove the heat source. That allows me to be able to, as it cools down, use the median temperature to bake the bread, or utilize cookware that has a lid, even tin foil covering up essentially like your pie crust. So however and whatever you want to bake in a single chambered oven, it will come out fantastically. I just want you to be aware of its limitations and its strengths. Our dual chambered units are very similar to your normal convection oven, but unlike a convection oven whose limitations are around 500 degrees, the gusto can get up to 800 degrees, perfect for your traditional style pizza. Now, like a convection oven, this radiates heat from all directions. It doesn't have a single point of heat. So you build your fire down below and it radiates from all sides. This oven is also ideal for baking pastries and breads, meaning when you close this door, you are able to fill the chamber with steam, just like a professional bakery does. So steam injection or steam integration is incredibly simple with one of our dual chambered units. So if you're looking for a wood-fired unit that can bake the perfect breads, pastries, cakes, cookies, dessert, lasagna, roast, and pizza, the Gusto is the oven for you.